Hi guys, is your washing machine acting weird? Yeah. Why? Yeah, was having some problems with my washing machine. The most way it could be is because your door is shut and it needs fresh air so I'm gonna review some of it. This is my washing machine, LG. You can buy it. Buy a washing machine. Yeah, that's the drain hose, or you check the filter. But I bet you that's not a problem. And okay, so first step, you don't need your phone to do this. Actually, you just push this button. You see all the lights will come on. I'm gonna make sure. See wash temp, so that the temperature, wash temperature, tap cold. So telling you all cold rinses. Tap cold, echo warm, hot. Okay? You hold that. It'll say 17 on this. Listen. This does the seconds. It says end, then the whole screen will turn off. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I have some error codes of what happened. Well, this is not mine. This is my nanny's. I live all the way back in Kitchener. We live we're right now in Bancroft. I was at there. I had a pillow I was washing in it. Wait, the camera is a little bit finicky. Okay, a little bit better. Oh, there. LE, that error code means the load is unbalanced or it needs more things in it. Okay? And if your washing machine is like saying a big letter, let me show the. So like it's saying this error code, but it's flashing, then it goes on to this. That means you have to do a tub clean. But already I did. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and subscribe if it fixes your washing machine. Thanks for watching. Bye.